Hello guys, it's me, Nighthawk, and if you've seen my last video, yes, I am sick, but today I'm playing another game with my friend here, Stinky Milo.
Stinky Milo dick.
Alright, you ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there we go. Shit. Oh, we're doing warm up. Oh shit, I got it. He had a shotty. He had a shotty. I don't know why these guys aren't looking up. There we go. Yogi killed that guy.
Oh shit, you're on me. Oh
Shit.
shit.
I have to buy some Dobrerettas. Hopefully you can at least hear what's going on in the game, like the gunshots and stuff. That's why you don't spawn trap. Yo.
So the new company that makes Gears of War is gonna be like Black Tusk Studios.
Black Tusk?
Yeah. They changed it. They changed their name to I forgot, but I think it's something about Gears. I think it's like some government in Gears of War.
Oh shit. The more you know.
The more you praise.
I fucked that guy up. And that guy. I'm not spawn trapping. Totally fair. Shit. Oh, dude, someone has a freaking. Oh shit. I got lost. Ooh, kill him. I didn't kill him myself. Hit me. Got him. Got him. You're just a baby breath away. Hey, can you answer? Lyrics by whatchamacallit? Tenacious D. Oh, Berettas. Oh, 3 seconds. I don't care. Oh, I thought it was Berettas because they were together. Alright, now I'm gonna get Berettas. Alright, where are you going? Alright, I'll watch Cat. Yeah, we got to. If no one comes out. If there are people, though, just let me know and I'll rush over there so that's everything. I'm lagging a little bit. Cat. Yes. Oh, the lag. The lag killed me. Dude, I think I'm gonna have to cut out every time I cough. I ran out of my drug medicine. Can you?
close to use them?
You don't have to be up close, just at a certain range. But you only get one shot, so.
And it's easier not to go close.
Okay, there's a guy at B. I don't know if that could be a good thing. Probably not. Don't tell me this guy got it. You got me. Yeah. There's a guy. Oh, you're gonna see a guy. You should see a guy. It's, he was saying. Oh. Oh, dude, there's a good guy. Damn. Stinky Milo, don't give a fuck what team you're on. Oh, he shot you too. I hope I can go freaking MOG again, but funny how. Did you need backup? You need. Shit. If anyone comes, they probably went around again. Oh no. If he passes, I'm the. Oh shit. Let him pass. I can kill him. I can do it. Believe in me. Believe in me. Orange, no, get to cover. Fuck it. Let's go. Gotta go out of this round, dude. I need freaking money. I need to save. She's not in the room? Got him, headshot, bang bang. Are you seeing anyone longer? Yes. I got him though. I don't know how many more there are gonna be. There's just one guy left in total though. I got an AK-47. Oh shit, well, who you guys scared me? Oh, he's at B. There you go, tunnels, I go crack. Oh, he's at crack, crack. Got him. Alright, he's at, oh, I got a diffuser. Yeah. Yeah. MVP. Freaking, let's see, 3 kills that round and a bomb defuse. Alright, so you guys watching this, this is my first time trying out the voice stuff, so if it sounds too loud or too soft, leave a comment down below. Helpful criticism is always nice. Lets me know what I gotta do for you guys to like me. There, tunnels, shit. Yep. I hit a bunch of them, dude. Yeah, bombs down there. Oh, it's a 1v1, dude. Yeah, 1v1. He's oh, you saw him. No. I only hit him once for 25. Shit. How many guys did I kill that time? 1. Nice. Wow. Bitch, I'm gonna go back you up, so don't go too far. Don't you die on me, you son of a bitch. Oh, I died on you. He's going around. He's gonna be right there. Nice. I couldn't switch fast enough, I'm sorry. But I'm watching you now. General gathered in their masses.
Oh, they're at 8.
Well, you shot one of them. Yes. Oh no, they haven't planted yet. Just one guy's still alive. Be careful. He might be at 8. Bomb's not down. Oh, he's right there. Run! Get the cover. Dude, freaking... We're not even doing too bad, and this guy wants us to kick him. How much damage did you do? After they kill you, it says.
That guy has to run B or something.
Yeah. Come on, I just need to hold out. No, that guy got a freaking last second kill. I don't know if going through freaking tunnels is smart, because all he has to do is aim down that tunnel. Unless this guy thinks he's going through the doors.
Oh, he planted.
Oh shit, nice. 12 health and a dream. He wasn't, yeah. Got him. Fucking gave me a friend 5,650 that round. It's default. Yeah. You get it for free.
I got it when I listened to the comment.
Dude, the one on freaking terrace side sucks. Well, it looks worse in my opinion. I'm probably gonna... Well, because to edit the videos together, I have to have them all in the... like uploaded in the YouTube. So, yeah, because I have to use the videos that are in my like inventory and that thing. Shit. I only got one and I hit the other one once. Cat, bombs, cat. You can get him from right there. Just can't be.
Unmanned satellite, moving position unknown. Felt the cold aerospace on his face and fell alone, trapped in his war zone. Destination, Jupiter 18, with stars scream freedom, unified against the obscene, monotype, personified, iguana-like, reptiles, armed with projectiles, crisscross in the night sky like African textiles of forming objects, unidentified, soaring high above the projects, traveling light speed like a parsec, light versus darkness. sparked the rage against the machine into organized marches and a stellar opposition against the bench press. Feeling like a trillion-ton weight bench press, but lifted off my chest. Either die free fighting or enslaved like the rest. With flash photo, crash back through the last portal, infected with the gamma ray rash and gangrene. Slash through the missile defense to put his life on the line. Do we all play for the same team? I think not, cause proud hands are scared to lock, but would rather push a button and launch the rocket. A people's mind, misaligned and offset. How you living in the light? We ain't out the dark yet. Speaking a strange, alien dialect, similar to Morse code but ultra violet. Moving forward through space on this starship deck to the somas, cause that's where the sequence connect.
Bye.
Yeah, man. No.
Range. You guys like this one? Hmm? Yeah. Slash, slash, slash. Right.
Oh, there's two guys that freaking two long doors.
Oh, shit. I got flashed. Yeah.
Watch out, Steven. Before he's gonna get you, dude. He's older than us.
Lich. The viewers don't know that.
Hmm?
The viewers don't know that.
MVP.
We're gonna lose.
Dude, Meadow's like freaking ripping it out outside, dude. He's like, "Whoa."
What's the problem? Follow me if you wanna die. Man, Lich, you got nothing. Got it. Timo. Oh shit. Reloading. Oh my god. No. No. Why won't that guy die? I have a grenade. Ah. Oh my god.
You're pretty good at this game,
Nah.
man. What the heck? How do they have 12?
Because they're good. Then you just gotta survive. Terrorist snipe? What? Oh shit, you guys. Reload, he's gonna be behind you. Ooh! No, just walk back so they can. Oh! Lich! Lich! Help! He's up there, he's up there. Yeah. Fuck, Lucius, I kill 4 people and you can't kill 1? He planned it already, all he has to do is camp. He's trying to win, that's our 6th round.
I hate that guy. He sucks.
Oh. Please don't have a diffuser. GG! I think that was my best round ever. No, I am the captain now. Okay, Lich. Did you hear me? I am the captain now. Lich, you got my back? Yeah, man. Here you go, don't worry. It's not, yeah, a little bit. You are a stinky my little dick after all. Don't let them know I'm over here. Lich, you told them. God, oh shit, now they know I'm here. Back.
Dude, just kill me.
Yeah, hit him twice for 81, but he didn't die. Why is he picking up a shot? Nice. But the last guy alive should only have like 1900. Oh my god, they were getting shot from behind. He was camping in lower tunnel. Hey, it would have worked, but freaking the guys were. Which one? Yeah. Oh my god, I had to step up. I can control people. They flashed me, what the fuck? I can't see shit. Oh. Careful, catwalk. Catwalk, dude. Leech, when you plant the bomb, you have to camp it. Alright. What if he's already over there disarming it? Oh. You didn't get MVP. Gotta hate, go hate. After you. Did you go? Oh. Oh shit. Yeah. But I'm smart. Let's see if I'm smart. Kill 2 people up on this side. Oh, no way. MVP. Killed almost their whole team. I'm a freaking genius.
Dude, I played Beast when I get
We won the first time you had it. I mean, we lost the first time you had it. No. Damn, this costing me. I would have done another video without voice audio, but I kind of felt like that would suck, so I decided, nah, I'll do it with video. I mean, with audio.
One behind you, have you one behind you?
No one behind me. I kill people.
Right there, and tunnels. One going up.
Oh! There's these guys here. Yo soy arriba del carro. The T-Bear. Yep. I don't know where you're going anymore. You want it? Come get it. I'll give it to you right now. Or did I flash you? Leash behind you, behind you. Because I saw him really late. Dude, I gotta freaking look everywhere. I'm gonna be a little bad if someone ends up behind me right now. Oh, what the fuck? Oh,
right there. Oh,
yep.
that's the left side line, right?
Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. Oh god, where am I going? Which I'm lagging. Which I'm lagging. Am I dead? Which am I dead? Oh my god. Hey, Luch, you there? Shit. I talked to him. I told him I was lagging. Cause motherfucker was lucky I was lagging. Long day. Dead. Shit, you think I can't kill you when I'm not lagging? I can kill you when I'm lagging. I do whatever the fuck I want. See that? See that? I do whatever the fuck I want. Now I'm gonna kill this guy over here. Never mind. But I hit him 3 times. Oh. Well. I probably should have gone to pick up the bomb then. Because I can't trust any of you fuckers. Let's go. Later. That doesn't show on the kill feed. Yeah, but I died. Oh, I can control people. Cool. I'm ready to block. I need it. If I'm playing as bot, I need to at least get 1 kill. Got him.
You mean Bot Jerry?
What about Bot Jerry? You making fun of Bot Jerry? 2 kills. Remember that. 2 kills. With the bot. I never played. Well, I have played on casual, but that was only to test this shit out. Deep breaths to try to chill out from my freaking cough. This is so bad. Come on now. Ah, Luch, I'm getting shot. Oh shit, I have a bomb. Porque tengo la bomba. Why do I have la bomba? Please don't tell me he's gonna drop down and kill me from behind. gonna suck balls. I already know I'm gonna die. Oh, I had to look away. We couldn't win anyways. They already had 15. Best we could have done is tied. But we couldn't do it.
Oh, I got a crate.
I got a crate. You didn't get shit.
Me. Alright, dude, I'm gonna go take a nap.
Alright, let's do.
Then I gotta work tomorrow.
Alright, guys. Well, we may have lost, but you know, I had to carry. I can't carry alone. Too stressful. Well, if you like this video, feel free to drop a like. And if you have any suggestions for anything I should do for the next video, feel free to leave a comment. Alright guys, that's it. End of this video. Good night.